that's the famous ministry of crab. So let's see. Hi, Viv. You can scan the QR code and get the menu. But she already decided what she wants to eat. So. So they light up the candles when you come here. They really have the this iced tea soda thing. I keep hearing about this iced tea soda. I really want to try it out. We ordered the chicken curry with posam bowl and fried egg, and ordered with bread, so instead of rice. This is I was actually looking forward to try it out. It's like a watermelon iced tea with cola. Yeah. Not my favorite, but I was expecting something else. It's okay. It's refreshing and it's really cold, especially Sri Lankan weather. It'll be good. What do you think? Yeah. You like it?
It's not bad.
So the food arrived. We got some coconut sambal, chicken curry, fried egg, and regular bread. We thought it's going to be
It's 2,900.
roast pong, which means different kind of bread in Sri Lanka, but it's not. They have some garlic bread if they have. This is 2,900 plus this one. So does it really worth the price? No. Let's taste it and see how much is it. If it is at least tastes good. Okay, plus tastes like a Michelin star restaurant. We'll try. Can I get a spoon?
Spoon, yeah.
Thank you. Some chicken. Let's try it. This is mine, right? That's mine. So we'll see. I think she makes 1,000 times better coconut sambal than that. I'm not saying that. It's actually true. Let's try the chicken. Spicy, but not spicy for Sri Lankan. Same thing goes with sambal. It is normally Don't get me wrong, the chicken is pretty good, soft, kind of spicy. Chicken is actually good. But Sri Lankan grandmother can make this 1000% better. You shouldn't suffer. The sauce is good. I like the sauce. The chicken gravy. It's brown, you see. So we got the bill. It's 3,200.